Kumulation fibro, kajing pentip ya ki result kepada jungka grateful kepada po mau kerwat Southwest Khasi Hill District. Dengan puli katkum kaneka notification the result of the interview for the post of data entry operator and grateful conducted by the district selection committee Southwest Khasi Hill District on 10 July kadai menen kesngi 2024 is hereby declare the name of the successful candidate recommended by the committee in order of merit as follow. Te namta ka data entry operator ibayo ede Shri Wat Bor Lang Khar Deusau na kategori Khasi and Jaintia. Dan grateful kibayo ilong Kershan Lang Wiani Nong Lang Bandring Lang Wanyang Leni Via Nong Sik Rosemary Wanyang Penkemen Da Shisha Shangdiar Daning Joy El Sangriang Yorda Lingdo Shri Anderson Lingdo Shri Un Siudor Thongni. The recommendation of the candidate shall confer no claim for appointment unless the appointed is satisfied after such inquiry as may be considered necessary that the candidate are suitable in all respect. The candidate pelaj potrik July jar arpo saw. Thank you, Khubor.